Welcome back, guys. It's this Alcoholic Endeavors. Today I'm redoing a lot of my iPhone videos that I did like forever ago and just need better quality to this one. Today we're going to be making the alien urine sample. Hi. You want an alien urine sample? An alien urine sample? Kinda does sound pretty disgusting, doesn't it? I figured I'd offer, you know. So, what you'll need is coconut rum, a banana liqueur. The first time I did this, I did it with 99 bananas, and that's a vodka. I'm pretty sure this is a banana liqueur. I mean, it says Creme de banana. I'm assuming it's banana liqueur. Melon Liqueur, Blue Curacao, and Peach Schnapps, and you'll also need soda water, but I don't have any soda water because I'm stupid and forgot to buy some, so I'm going with Sprite. I'm sure Sprite will be fine. I haven't done this in a very long time, so I don't remember what this tastes like. This could be totally fucking different. I have no clue. So we're just going to go ahead and get down into it. Everything is 1 ounce, roughly. You'll also need a shaker, which I kind of forgot I need a shaker for this one. So I recommend maybe putting a nice cube or two in there. I'm going to leave 1 ice cube in the 1 glass. Whee! Watching them go around, watching them go around in circles. So 1 ounce of everything. Peach Schnapps. Actually, is it 1 ounce of Blue Curacao? Damn, it is. Okay. Unfortunate. I really didn't want to put 1 ounce in this Blue Curacao, but we're doing it anyways, I guess. 1 ounce of Midori, if I can ever get the lid open. 1 ounce of coconut rum. My Jigger now looks like piss color because of all the great little colors that are in there. And then Creme de banana. A banana liqueur, also 1 ounce. It's a lot of liqueurs. Nothing too horribly strong thanks to not having to drink 99 vodka right now. Which I'm actually quite happy with. Give her a good old shake. Wait until this chills up and frosts over. Ideally, you would want like a big cube and then a bunch of cracked ice, but I'm not special enough for that, so get all the good old foam in there. 1 ounce of Sprite, or soda water. Sorry, it was supposed to be soda water, but I only have Sprite, that's right. A little bit more. And this is apparently the alien urine sample. I mean, it's green enough. It looks cool. I like how green it is. It has a nice pretty green to it. Let's try it. Huh. That is some tasty piss. I didn't know what to expect from this. But it was something. That was for sure. The banana and the coconut really go well together with the Midori, with the melon liqueur. I wasn't expecting how sweet it was with the, how everything would be, because the banana vodka, oh god. I don't know, I like it, but I cannot stand it. On its own, anyways. When I did this first time around, I don't think I cared for the alien urine sample, because it was kind of disgusting. But this is... Yeah, that's actually not that bad. I was expecting it to be a lot worse. Yeah, I would give it a try. Makes a nice, like I said, it makes a really nice, pretty green. Probably because of the Blue Curacao, the yellow, and all that kind of stuff. Everything just, it worked really well together. I can't complain. It's decently good. If you like that, go check out my other videos. We now have a Discord link down in the description. If any of you guys have a drink or shot recipe, leave it down in the comment section below. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all next time.